airbase in Iraq causing injuries, damage. So this is from Tuesday.
We have more attacks on Americans and coalition forces in Iraq and Syria.
So several drones on Tuesday targeted an airbase.
I will share the link.
In Iraq, hosting U.S. troops, causing injuries.
Very dangerous situation in the Middle East now.
Officials said.
Anything can happen.
Since the start of Israel-Hamas war in October, there have been more than 140 attacks on U.S.
and the coalition in Iraq and Syria.
Deployed to fight ISIS. So multiple attack drones were launched.
So America is now bombing Yemen and Iraq with the help of the allies.
So we have this war now in Iraq.
And
so you see people, this is heating up in Iraq.
Iraq, Syria,
we have Yemen,
Lebanon,
we have Iraq,
Yemen.
we have Gaza,
we
have
this
Lebanon.
is like heating up, and it's not looking good at all.
Iraqi officials.
They are talking about
how long time before Americans
all the
be
no peace in the
they will die and stuff like that. It's very dangerous. So I believe this is the Islamic resistance in Iraq.
So 140 attacks on Americans in Syria and Iraq since
Syria,
October.
Lebanon, Yemen.
Yeah,
and
so that's all, people. Blessings.
Never know. No. So